Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the hardware ready. Charge the AirPods and case to at least 20% so the pairing won't fail. Once done, open the case lid and press, and hold the setup button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes white. That puts the AirPods in pairing mode. Meanwhile, on your phone or other device, turn Bluetooth on and stay in the Bluetooth settings page so you can act immediately when the AirPods appear. You'll now complete the active pairing step. With Bluetooth settings open, scan the list and tap the entry labeled AirPods or the customized name. Your device will initiate the handshake. If a PIN prompt appears, enter 0000 or accept the pairing dialog. Most modern devices won't need a code. Make sure you wait until the system shows a clear confirmation such as connected or a checkmark next to the AirPods name. You finish by verifying audio output. Open Control Center or Sound Settings and select your AirPods as the output so calls and media route correctly. If they fail to connect, reset the AirPods by placing them in the case, closing lid, then holding the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED shows amber then white. This clears old pairings. Once reset, retry pairing, and if issues persist, reboot the phone or device. That often clears lingering Bluetooth conflicts and restores a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.